Hi, I'm Bosco. I'm the BMW Genius at Waverley BMW. Today, I will show you how to activate the voice control in your vehicle. There are two ways to activate the voice control. The first way is to click the voice button on the steering wheel, and then it will activate the voice control for you. The second way is to say Hey BMW or Hello BMW, and then it will activate the voice control for you. Now, let me show you how to use the Hey BMW features. Hey BMW.
Hello, what can I help you with?
Call Max Chapman.
I'm calling Max Chapman on their mobile phone.
Hey BMW.
Hello, what can I help you with?
Take me to the petrol station.
Which one of the destinations shall I select?
Shell.
All right, our next destination is Shell.
Hey BMW.
Hello, what can I help you with?
I'm cold.
Oh, I am raising the temperature and activating your seat heating, so it will be warmer shortly.
If you have any question, feel free to contact me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.